And so what do we need the knife for? This is what we have here today. Wittkop Medicus Comfort bicycle grips made in Germany. So here on my bike I still have the original One-Träger, whatever you call this company. The original ones in here. They go all the way to the end here. Yeah. So I hope the length is fine here. There's a fly living inside my... Is it dead? I don't know. But those original ones have to come off, and we're gonna check out how this works. So first I'm trying to twist this here, but that doesn't work well, so I decide to use a knife to cut this open. Well, it's really risky. Do not cut yourself. Maybe I can cut the ends off. Okay, so here there is something in here, like a plastic thing. This may or may not have to come out. So I'm using a screw to go in here, make a few turns, and then I'm trying to pull out. There it is, look at that. So the original is not as deep as this. So I got the other side out the same way. Like just put like a screw in there like this and pull it out. CHPP it's saying. That's fine. So okay. Now we need to find out what is left and what is right. So I have to loosen the mirror. That obviously has to go further over. Let's see what is. Go here. Like this. I'm gonna put my blob on here. There it is. Because I lost my little wrench. So let's see if this fits here. It does. Now the 3mm rule, 3 Newton meter. Tighten this. It's on. No, I know where my wrench is. It's here. Crazy. This is the one for the mirror. That has to be tightened again. Okay. And then this stuff goes back here. Is this enough to shift? Yeah, it is. This would be horrible if it would be so far away. That's what I had as I put the mirror on. This had to go away. I can't put the mirror here because of this. So it's pretty busy here with my steering. So. Yeah. I don't know. Can I drive like this? Seems to work fine. Yeah, so this ends the video for those nice grips.